Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model our stair as you can see from here. After modeling the stair, we are going to place our 3D reinforcement within the stair as you can see from this view, okay? So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with our lesson. I'll just go to this file which I just opened. I'm using a structural template. Then just go to any of the elevations here to check your levels. So from here we have level 1 and level 2. If I just select that level on top, I can change the spacing to 3000. Okay, I'm using millimeters, then click outside. Then I'll just go to level 2, or rather I'll go to level 1. Just open level 1 there. Then what I'm going to do, I'll just go to structure there, pick the grid, click the first point and the second point, then click on modify. And I'm just going to change the grid. I'll just call it grid 1 and click outside. Then what I'll do here is just to, to put some sketch lines here by making use of the reference plane so that it's easy for me to model my stair here. So I'll just go to reference plane and then pick that point up to somewhere there, click on modify. Then I'll select that, reference plane and click on copy there, pick that point and I want to specify the width as 1200, enter, then 200, enter, then 1200 and enter, click on modify. Okay, so I'll be using these lines to sketch my stair. So once you do that, go to architecture. Stairs are found under the architecture. Then click on stair. I'll just click on open there. Okay, I can simply close this one, go back to level 1. As you can see, I'm in the sketch mode. Then what you have to do, make sure that you click on the stair, pick the stair that you want to use. Okay, I want to use in situ concrete. So I'll select on it. Okay, then once you do that, go to edit type there. I want to duplicate this one and I'll rename this one to, I want my waist to be 200. Okay, then I'll give it 1. It's just a name. This is just a name one and click on OK. Now what you do, start changing the parameters here. The maximum riser, I want this one to be 150. The tread depth, I want this one to be 250. Then the run width, remember I was using a 1200, so I'll specify it there. Then I can as well check the waist, the thickness for my waist. Just click once there, then at the end click there. You can see that the structural depth is 200, so I'm not changing it. Okay, click on OK. Then the landing there, this is 200, so it's fine. Then I'll just click on OK. Right. So you see that from here, these are the properties that I set. Desired number of risers have 20. The tread depth have 250. Okay, so now what you need to do, make sure that the location line is left. Okay, and make sure that you pick the run and pick automatic landing so that the landing will be created automatically there. Then just pick that first point. If I click there and make sure that you end up to 10. Okay, as you can see from there, then click. Then move your cursor up there and click that point. Then move backwards and just click outside. Okay. So you see that we have our stair here. Just click on the green check mark there. Close that one. Now let me just open the 3D view for this one. You see that I have my stair there. Now I just want to mention to you that if you go to the 3D view, don't see the stair. Just make sure that you go to visibility graphics, VG on your keyboard. Then under the stairs, if I just go to stairs, make sure that the stair is checked here. If it's not checked, you'll not be able to see the stair. Alright, so from here, let me just go to south. You see that I have my stair, but I need to create the landing here or the part of the slab. So what you do, I can go to my 3D view, select there, then click on edit. Okay, then I'll just click on landing there, then go back to, I need to go to level 2. Okay, then from here, the landing I'm creating is just part of the slab. Okay, make sure that you go to landing there and click on create sketch. Once you click there, you can make use of the rectangle and boundary is selected, as you can see. Then I'll just pick that point and I'll just go up to somewhere, maybe up to 1 meter. Just click there and click on finish and finish once again and close this one. Now just go to the 3D view, see that you have your stair like that. If I just go to south, you can see that it now looks, perfect. Okay, now let's start, modeling our reinforcement here. So what I'll do, I'll just go to level 1 and cut a section right there. Okay, so just go to view and click on section. Then I'll just pick the first point there and the second point. Click outside, then double click to open that section. Right, I can change maybe the scale to, let me change it to 1 to 50. Then just drag the box there and up there so that I'm able to see the stair. From here, I don't need the railing, so I'll just delete it. Okay, now let's start creating our rebar here. I'll just make sure that you just select on the stair there, then click on rebar, then click on OK. Once you do that, just go to sketch. Okay, but make sure that the rebar that you want has been picked. I'm using white dwarf. Okay, then go to sketch. Once you do that, pick the stair once again, select on the stair, then you are in the sketch mode. From here, I'll just use the line there, and I'll just start from there, click that point, then I'll just go on top up to somewhere there, then click that point and that point there. Okay, then click on the green check mark there, and you see that I have my rebar there. Click on modify. Okay, now I'm just seeing a line. What you need to do, just go to fine level of detail. You see that you have the rebar right there. Once again, I need the top one. Then I'll select on the stair there, click on rebar. Okay, once again, just go to sketch there and select on the stair. Then what I'll do, I'll just pick a point from somewhere there, then up to maybe up to somewhere there, and then go all the way up to the end, or maybe up to somewhere there and click somewhere there. Okay, then I'll just click on the green check mark. You see that I have my rebar there. Click on modify. If I want to edit the rebar, I can still select on it and click on edit sketch. If I want to extend it, maybe from this point. Okay, let me just pick that point there. Maybe if I want to bring it down, maybe up to somewhere there, I can do that. Then click on the green check mark. Okay, now there is an issue here. I'll just click on continue. Okay, I'll just delete that. Okay, so instead of joining like that, what I'm going to do, I'll delete that one and just extend the end up to here. Click on finish. As you can see, I have my rebar there. All right, so let me now place in the other direction. I need some rebar there. So what I'll do, once again, select there. Particular to cover is selected and current work plane. Then I'll just place it somewhere there. Okay, I'll also place the rebar on top. Then later on, I'll be able to adjust a bit. Click there, then I'll go there also and place my rebar there. Then even on top there. Okay, I can just place it somewhere there. I should be able to change it a bit. Then once you do that, just click on modify. Then I can select the rebar there and just drag it. In the meantime, I just want it to end it up to there and drag my rebar up to there, as you can see. Now it's important that you lock your rebar so that when one bar or the thickness changes, everything adjusts accordingly. So I'll just select on that bar, then click on edit constraints. Okay, then select that line. Okay, then I'm able to switch from here. I'll just pick that. Okay, then change this one to -16. Click outside. Okay, actually it's -12 because that is the diameter is 12. Like that, you can see that it touches there, and once you click on the green check mark, you've locked the two bars. Okay, So you can go ahead and do the same on the other ones. So, but I'll just select on that bar and maybe let it end up to somewhere there. This one I'll leave it. This one I just want to move it up a bit. I can put my cursor there, hold my left mouse and just, you know, drag it up to somewhere there. You can still use the edit constraints to lock it. I'll just, you know, leave it up to somewhere there, as you can see from here, and drag it to end it up to there. Okay, so here what I'm going to do once again, I'll just select on the reinforce the stair there, click on Rebar, and I want to sketch again. Rebar there, click on sketch there, select on the stair, and I just want to have maybe just from somewhere here. Okay, I want to sketch Rebar from there again. I'll need to move it down, but let me just escape from there, and maybe from that point, pick that point, and I'll just end it up to somewhere there. Then TR on your keyboard for trim, pick that one and that one. Okay, I'm happy. You can pick the actual distances from there up to there according to your detailing rules or the code that you are using. This one I'm just sketching at random. Okay, so I'm happy with that sketch. I just need to click on the green check mark. You see that I have the rebar right there. Okay, I think I'm done with this one. With the first flight, I need to go to the second flight. Let me just click on modify. Now, before I go there, let me just go to the 3D. Okay, if I just go to my 3D there, I'll just select everything there, then click on filter, check none, then just select structural rebar, apply. Okay, and what I'm going to do is to go to visibility, view visibility states, then activate the 3D and click on apply. You see that the rebar is right there. Now, I didn't change this one. If I just select that one, okay, make sure that the layout is to maximum. I can pick from there. I want a maximum spacing for my rebar to 200. Click outside, as you can see from there. Make sure that all these let me go back to my detail and make sure that all of them are within a range. So this one is okay. Select that one, maximum spacing, that's fine. This one, it's okay. And that one is single, so change it to maximum spacing of 200 also. Click outside, as you can see from here. Let me also check the other ones. This one is okay, and that one is okay as well. So if I go back to my 3D view, you see that I have my rebar within the first flight. Okay, so now what you need to do, I'll just go back to, okay, I'll go back to that one, you know, go to the section and just drag it up to somewhere here so that I'm cutting, you know, on this one. Then I'll just double click the head to open it, as you can see. Okay, then the procedure is the same. Make sure that you click on the stair there, then edit rebar. On rebar there, then I'll use sketch and select on the stair there. Then for this one, I'll just start from that point, okay, up to that point. Okay, then I'll go on top there, pick that one there, pick that one there, and down. Okay, then click on the green check mark. Okay, and I'll click on modify, and I'll make sure that for this one, I check the maximum spacing in advance up to 200. So 200 is right there. Then click outside there. Right, so again for this rebar, if I want, I can select on it, then click on edit sketch right there, then click the line there. Okay, then pick that point up to somewhere there, click on finish. Okay, right, if I want, I can move this one. I'm able to edit a bit like that. So let me select for the top one, select on it, and before you do that, make sure that you have checked, okay, maximum spacing, the spacing of 200. Select on the stair, rebar once again, select sketch there. Once you pick sketch, then pick on the stair once again. Then I'll start from, I'm going to start from somewhere here. Okay, let me see where to start from. I can even start from, okay, from there up to that point. Then I'll go on top there, maybe up to somewhere there. Then go down. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll just maybe pick that point. Okay, so that I go up to there. Then TR on your keyboard for trim, pick that line and that line. Okay, then click on modify. Then I'll pick that line once again and simply drag it up to here. Then pick the line from there, then pick that point, go there up to that point and maybe up to the end there, and click on finish. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I want to push this bar to be up there, so I can simply drag it and leave it there and click outside. Okay, as you can see, I have the bar there, right? So I'll select on the bar there and change it to maximum spacing and change this one to 200 and click outside. Right. Again, select on the stair. We want to have the rebar in the other direction. Okay, because this is doubly reinforced. Okay, then top, I'll just place it there or move it later on. Then go there. You have the rebar right there and down there up to somewhere there. Okay, then click on modify. Once you do that, you can simply pick the rebar there and hold my left mouse and just drag it close there. Okay, if you want, again, you can select on the bar if you want to lock it, and that's a good practice. You have to be doing that. We have some rebar constraints. Select on that, then edit constraints. Then I'll just pick that one there. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll change this one to negative 12. Let me see what happens. Okay, it goes at the bottom. Let me, okay, so I have to change it to, let me try negative 16. Okay, let me try to go to finish. It's at the bottom, so I just have to undo this one. Okay, so sometimes you have to make sure that you check from there, or click on edit constraints, then pick that line. You can even switch it from there, as you can see. Okay, so this one is from the cover there, as you can see, up to there is negative 114. So you can try to reduce it a bit if you want until it touches there. So I'll leave it the way it is and click on finish. Otherwise, it's now locked. When the bar moves, even the bar in the other direction will move. Okay, I'll go to the other one, check it there. Then I just want to drag it up to somewhere there. Okay, you can do that. Pick that bar, drag it inside up to there. You can select that one and drag it up to there. Okay, I think I'm happy with what I'm seeing here. All right, now I also need to place the bar right here. Just select on the stair there, rebar. Then I'm just going to use sketch there. Select on the stair once again. Then I can sketch my rebar. Again, I'll just pick maybe from, that point up to somewhere there. And then I'll just pick the line there once again and maybe start from there up to somewhere there. Then TR on your keyboard, pick that line and that line. Then click on finish. Okay, click on modify and make sure that you change this one to maximum spacing, and I want to maintain 200 and click outside. So as you can see, I think we are done. Let me just go to the 3D view. Okay, then select select everything from here, click on filter, check none. Make sure that select structural rebar, apply, okay. Then from here, you need to go to view visibility states, okay, and pick the 3D view, those boxes, and click on apply. Click outside. From here, you see that everything is okay now. So this way, you are able to create your rebar the way you want it to be. All right, so if you want to change the colors, you can go ahead. There are different ways of changing your colors. But I'll just show you one of them is by making use of the filters. The other one is just by using the graphic override. So if you just want to start changing the colors, I can just pick that one, right click, override graphics in view, by element. Okay, then from here I can just pick from there, pick the color. If I want this one to be green, I can pick that one, click on apply. Okay, so this way you can go ahead and select all the bars and give it different colors. So this is how you create your 3D rebar in Revit on a stair.